Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for educational and learning tools business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first, let's see template. Let's go with here. So here you can change the topic and you can change the type. So for example, online store, you can make it online store for educational tools, and also you can make it services for educational and learning tools. So that's it. Here you can choose any template you want, and if you want to build your own template, so let's get started and let's build our personal template. So you can create and build it easy and quick. So here you can type your business name, and here you can build your home page section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the intro section must be this is the first section, must be an attractive section to attract people, and also the product section, all the sections must be an attractive to attract more people. So that's it. Now let's continue. That's it. Now let's continue. Here you can add page to your site. Here you're gonna choose the color, any color match with this business for educational and learning tools. For example, this, and also the font must be an attractive font to attract people. For example, this. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website, something about your website, or if you want to skip. For me, I'm gonna skip. So if you wanna change this, you can go to the page settings, go here, you can change the page title. For example, services. Also here, or you can just type here home page. That's it. After this, save. Now you can edit your home page here. So first here you can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this. And you can change it, you can make it like a desktop view. So here the text, you can change the text here. For example, welcome to our site for educational and learning tools. this. You can change the background. So you can search here on the free image, just click here and search on educational and learning tools. So for example, I'm gonna choose this as a background. You can choose whatever you want. So now after this, you can go to the site header. You can change the site title and the logo. You can upload your logo from your library, or you can upload just a file. And also you can upload a mobile logo image. So that's it. Here you can edit the section, you can save it and duplicate it from here. You can move it up or move it down. Here you can change the text on this label. For example, shop now. If you want to add something on your section, just click here and you can select image or video or button as you like. So if you want to add a section, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage from here. So that's it. And you can go to the site size if you want to change your fonts from here and go to the fonts pack. Now you can change the fonts pack from here. So that's it for today. I'm gonna continue this business on the second part of this video. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in the second part on the next video.